2012 Jeep Compass. I'm replacing the throttle body. I have a red lightning bolt light on, and it's down there. So there's this you gotta remove. That's right there, and then I unplug that and then unscrew that to remove off. And then there's this bolt here holding that bracket I'm gonna unscrew. So then, yeah, follow this hose down here, and it's connected to the throttle body, so you gotta find that ring clamp and unscrew that clamp to get that off. It's kind of down in there. Alright, so that's going in there, and then this is like angled down into the throttle body. So yeah, you gotta get that undone. I used a little flathead to be able to get that in there to loosen it. And then there's this clip right here that you gotta pop out the wire clip, and this is kind of a pain in the ass to unclip. I just cut it to pop it out, so I might zip tie it back in when I put it back in. So then, yeah, there's the 4 bolts there. There's like a bracket holding it on there with that upper right bolt there. So you got to take off those 4 bolts, which are these 4 bolts, and then that'll expose the bolt behind. So those are 10. I'm gonna unscrew those.